You know you got problems when you got about all your tools out to do any work. Well, I'm testing out my new camera, but put the power steering pump on pieces, resealing it. There's 2 seals in there, seal out there, a bunch of pieces that need to be cleaned up so I can put it back together. That needs to be swapped out for the flare style instead of the O-ring style. I'll take that out of the pump on the truck. All the dismantled pieces been blasted and painted. Need to give them another coat. Of course, the air compressor turns on. And I don't know if you remember, but that's a different hydro boost than it was on the truck. I was going to use it because it went on a leak. I cleaned that one up. It was a reman. Cleaned it up, stuck it all on. I figured, well, better take these lines off that have been cut. And they are the O-ring style. And my steering box is the flare style. And the pump should be too. We'll have to take that fitting out, put in the pump that's going on it. So I resealed the hydro boost that was originally on here. Of course, that was a pain in the ass, but other than that, it's done. It needs to be washed off and painted. Make it pretty. So when you look under the hood, it's pretty. You need to clean up the booster. Paint it black. Just haven't had time. And it's been a while since I got the engine out. It's been raining for about a week straight. It finally stopped. I don't know how much it rained, but here's the tub. It's been sitting outside, collecting water. I don't know how tall that is, maybe 10 inches, but there's probably 8 inches of rain in it. We need to get back to cleaning this up and get it back together before it gets dark. Also, that bracket that was on it was junk. Junk, but somebody's modified it and welded on. I had a different one that was in good shape. That's the seals that were in it. They're hard, see, it just broke. Let's get new ones in it. Much cleaning is doing and assembling. Now the pump's back in, assembled with new seals. Changed out that to the flare style fitting. New seal. Needs final washing. And another coat of paint. Or actually a coat of paint. The back has paint on it, but just a light coat. And I don't see any extra parts laying around. I wonder where they came from. The seal bag's empty. That's good. Yeah. Those are done, painted. That one needs some more, but yeah, it's stuck to the cardboard. But I have to press that on. And then give the whole pump a final spray paint job, I guess. Here's the pump off the truck. The wonderful, awesome line that was on it. And we got that one on. But it's supposed to rain tonight again. So I'm probably done here for now. We got to paint the hydro boosts, they're resealed. We do something about that. Yeah, I'll take it off and plug the lines and put it in the blast cabinet. Give it a shot of black paint. And that should be it for now. I'm out here working on the car hauler again. Got the hydro boost on. Master cylinder painted. A couple lines on the bot. That one's hooked up. Power washed the engine bay. It's cleaner than it was. Put some spray paint on it just to keep it from rusting because it's bare metal down there. And while I was doing that, I had to fix the shock mount. My God, it was loose and it egged the hole out, so I had to make it round again. Let's see if that's up in here. It should work now. Just need to stick it back on the stud. There's the stud. And it should be good to go. Let me spray a little paint on it so it doesn't rust too. Hopefully I can get the engine in here soon. Later today, tomorrow. Still gotta get it out of storage. Install the flywheel, the clutch, bell housing, get the transmission out of storage. Get the transmission underneath here. I'm pretty sure I can't stick them both in at the same time. But you know you got problems when you got about all your tools out to do any work. 2 grinders, 2 die grinders, 2 impacts, a bunch of sockets, all that good stuff. Well, there's the power steering pump, all back together and spray painted. It's been resealed. Here's some oil that's coming out the back there. But that's finished. And I've been spray painting the frame black. So that looks a little better. Look a little more respectable. At least it won't be rusting. That's all I'm going to do under here. Got the shock fixed. Just bolted on. Did use 3 different brands of spray paint to do that, using up some of the old paint I had. It doesn't seem to be doing anything weird. A lot of times you mix brands of paint and they don't like each other. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna let this sit a while, dry good. Got here and what little sun getting on it might help it bake, help it dry. And it's time to get the engine and the transmission. Get it assembled, drop her down in. Hopefully I can get that done tomorrow. I should have been done with this a long time ago, but well, not a long time ago, but at least a week ago. When being it rained for a week. And there's all that water in that tub I haven't drained out yet. Guess I'm trying to breed mosquitoes. You gotta have them to annoy you too. So. Did paint a little bit on the frame on the outside. Just because you can kind of see it from the top, but it's just cheap paint. It's not going to stay on there forever. 3 lids. I think I used 4 cans of paint. I did this side too. There's the shock mount after it's been fixed. Painted the steering box. I already put a seal in that because it was leaking out the shaft. Did that probably last year or so. We had a horrible mess of leaks in that hydro boost system lines, the hydro boost itself. Hopefully now that problem is fixed. I hope. Okay, thought I'd show you a tool I made for torquing that nut down. There's a special nut back there. You can see that, don't want to focus, but it's recessed back in there so you can't get it much in there. But I used a square piece of steel and cut it on the sides so it would match the spot there. But that nut is supposed to be torqued to 110 foot-pounds, and they do sell special sockets, but I can't wait a week to get a socket, and they're too expensive, anywhere from $50 up to like $100 and some. So I made that, just a square piece of steel. See, I cut the corners, heated it up, beat it in, and welded a washer and a nut on the end so I could torque it. And it's long enough to fit a push rod inside it. They got the job done. Of course, that's not the one I used, but you get the point. I marked it Hydro Boost. We might find that someday and go, what in the heck was that made for? That's why I wrote Hydro Boost on it. If you're a subscriber, you're awesome, and don't forget to ring that notification bell.